Hey everyone, in this video, we'll be showing you how to easily recover those recently deleted posts and get your precious content back on your profile. So, let's dive right in. Open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the top right corner, you'll find three horizontal lines. Tap on them to access the account settings menu. From these options, tap on your activity. Then, scroll down to the Removed and Archived Content section. Next, tap on the Recently Deleted option. In this section, you'll find all your deleted posts, stories, and reels from the past 30 days. You can then choose to restore them back to your profile. If your deleted posts are older than 30 days, this method won't work. To recover a post, simply tap on the desired post. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right of the post from the options. Choose Restore, and that's it. By using this method, you can restore deleted posts on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.